Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ferox Band. Today we bring you a shocking and chilling story straight from Los Angeles. Police have uncovered human remains in not one but two separate vehicles at local tow yards. One of those vehicles is shockingly registered to rising musician D4VD. Stay with us as we unfold every detail of this breaking update. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, share and comment your thoughts about this update for more uplifting stories. Police in Los Angeles are facing two chilling discoveries this week after human remains were found in separate vehicles stored at local tow yards. Law enforcement sources confirmed to the Times. The first case unfolded in the Hollywood Hills. A Tesla with Texas plates, abandoned nearly 5 days earlier in the upscale Bird Street neighborhood, had been hauled to Hollywood Tow on Mansfield Avenue. By Monday afternoon, employees at the tow yard reported a haul order coming from the car's front truck. When LAPD detectives arrived around 12:20 p.m., their suspicions were confirmed. A bag containing a human head and torso was hidden inside. The Los Angeles County Medical Examiner's office was called to the scene, but the level of decomposition was so advanced that officials were unable to identify the gender of the victim. LAPD officer Charles Miller later confirmed that this case is being handled as a death investigation. The Tesla was registered to musician David Anthony Burke, better known by his stage name D4VD. The rising artist, who first gained fame through TikTok, was quickly ruled out as a victim. Authorities clarified that D4VD is alive and even preparing to perform in Minneapolis on Tuesday as part of his world tour. Just a day later on Tuesday, detectives were confronted with another grim discovery. This time, a body was found partially burned inside a Honda Civic located at a different tow yard. This Civic had been lodged there since August 25 and was tied to a missing person report. Law enforcement sources said that this case is being investigated separately from the Tesla discovery. While the Honda Civic investigation is connected to a missing person case, the Hollywood Hills incident remains classified as a death investigation. Both cases, happening so close together, have raised alarm in Los Angeles and left residents unsettled. For now, investigators continue to dig into the details of both incidents as the shocking discoveries of human remains in two separate vehicles within days of each other have placed new urgency on uncovering what really happened. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit on bell icon.